Here are 5 warning signs that it's time to replace your roof. Number 1, curling or missing shingles. The shingles that are curled, buckling, or missing can be a sign of weather damage or aging. Number 2, shingle granules that are in your gutters. If you notice a significant amount of shingle granules in your gutters or downspouts, it indicates that the shingles are wearing out and you may need to be replacing your roof soon. Number 3, popped nails. This means that your sheathing is no longer structurally sound and your shingles are starting to come off of your roof line. Number 4, a sagging roof. If your roof is sagging or drooping, it's likely a structural issue, often due to water damage or weakened materials, and needs immediate attention. Number 5, your roof's age. Most asphalt shingle roofs last around 20 to 30 years. If your roof is near this age or older, it may be time to consider replacing it before some serious issues arise. If you notice any of these warning signs on your house, reach out to us for a free consultation and we'll help find the best solution for your home.